Hi everybody, welcome back to Total OS Today. Well, today I had some free time and I upgraded my 11.10, my Ubuntu 11.10 Oniric Ocelot to 12.04 Precise Pangolin. Now, I had already installed it on one of my laptops, but not on my primary working machine. This is when I'm recording it, the screencast I'm recording on this machine right now. Now, normally in the past, I would download the ISO file, burn it onto a CD, DVD, or transfer it to a USB stick, and install the operating system from there. Now, I would normally back up everything that needed to be backed up on an external hard drive, and from there I would boot into Windows 7 and delete the Linux partitions using the disk management tool in Windows 7. Now, I won't go through that process here. I've done videos on that before in the past, but that for me has been the primary safe dual booter's way of uninstalling and installing a newer version of Ubuntu, Linux Mint, or Zorin. But for Ubuntu, in this case, I decided to take the upgrade path, and basically my update manager popped up and said, of course, there was a new version available, 12.04 LTS. Now, of course, I have already installed it and all the updates. I don't currently have any updates to install, as you see here. But I just followed the instructions precisely, and the whole process took about, I would say about 3 hours. Did not run into any glitches. Now, that being said, once again, make sure you back up anything before, just in case. And another thing I noticed, you just cannot click upgrade and let the machine sit by itself. At least a couple times you have to click either yes or OK, I believe twice, to complete the installation process. So the machine does need a little bit of babysitting to complete the entire installation process, and then of course rebooting once or twice depending on what you are installing as part of the update manager functions. And this is what I have here, and it seems just fine and dandy. This is Ubuntu 12.04 Precise Pangolin. So, if you have done this before in the past, or if this is your preferred way, or have had any glitches, let me know. I have not, and probably will not, install the ATI proprietary drivers. Pardon me. The ATI proprietary drivers were not friendly to me in the past. Maybe they're okay now. I'm not taking any chances, so I will not be installing them in this desktop, at least not right now. If you guys have, let me know if it works. Let's see, what else do I have? Check out the last Sunday Night News and Nonsense report, the Sinner report concerning the extinction of the dinosaurs. That's a funny one that me and Spatry talked about. The next Sinner report for next weekend will have me, Infinitely Galactic jumped on board, and of course Spatry will be talking about, I believe, the overabundance of patents, stuff like that. And the next Linux A-Team is scheduled to be recorded next week, next Monday night, let's see, the 21st, I believe. So look for that next week, and as always, you can download the audio files from tosscastpodcasts.com. And also you can check out totalostoday.blogspot.com. I've made those websites about as simple and as dummies proof as possible for us Windows dual booters. Let's see, anything else do I have to tell you? Oh yeah, RAM usage. I noticed with 12.04 RAM usage has gone up somewhat considerably. Now, of course, I am running the screencasting software, so of course it will jump. But with Ubuntu 11.10, just on idle mode, I believe RAM usage was around 300 something. In 12.04 it jumps up to 500, so it's quite a jump. So it's Ubuntu 12.04 appears to be a little bit more of a resource hog, but I guess that's normal because there's more more stuff in it, as I like to say. But it seems okay. So just to let you know, if you have an older computer, you may want to check out the lighter weight distributions out there. I think that's it. That's it for this screencast. Welcome aboard all of the new subscribers. It is greatly appreciated. I thank you, all of you. I think that's it. Thank you so much, and as always, I will catch all of you sometime in your Linux future. Ciao.